What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. Okay, thanks to Samsung and one of their special promotions they had going on at the first look, we were able to grab a Galaxy XR to show you guys on the channel to take a look at their Android AR headset. And as you can see, just from the packaging alone, it looks pretty dang premium. It is massive. It's a lot larger than I thought. And you can see on the back here, everything it says, that comes in the package, and it contains the Samsung Galaxy XR, a wall charger and USB-C to USB-C cable, the power cable, a battery pack, a forehead cushion, and a cushion size adjustments from 5mm to 10mm, the light shields for your left and right eye, a protective cover, a lens cleaning cloth, and a quick start guide, as well as the TOCs. To open it, pretty easy. As you can see here, we're gonna have a couple tabs on both sides. And you can see right on the side here also, advertising that new Android XR. Super excited about this platform and what it's going to have to offer in 2026. So let's go ahead and lift this off and take a look at this baby. And right off the bat, you can see just how nice and premium that actually is. Also, if you hear a little weird, if it sounds weird in this video, I apologize. The audio might be a little off. We're shooting this in the hotel room in Vegas, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick look to see what this looks like. And as you can see, this is meant to be the competition to Apple's own Apple Vision Pro. And right off the bat, picking it up, it's actually a lot lighter than I thought. It looks like it's very well designed. You have your touch pieces here, some sensors on the side, and definitely your adjustable strap here. It's definitely going to look pretty nice. You can take this baby right off and see all of those cameras right there. Super, super high tech. This does run about $1,800. However, it is on sale from time to time. You can see everything right there from the exhaust vents, or vents, I should say, to keep the heat off of your face. Again, that is that cover right there for you. And then let's set this to the side for a minute and lift up the rest of this packaging. And as you can see here, we have a couple of locations here for accessories, for different size straps like we said, and the power right here. This is going to be your power bank because it is not self-powered. You do need to include the cable here and make sure you have it charged when you're ready to use. You do have right below that the power cable itself that's going to plug in right on the side and lock in to the headset. And then you have your manual and lens cleaning cloth, as well as that USB-C to USB-C cable we talked about. And then also your power brick to charge it. Nice to see all of that included, especially at this price point. So what we're gonna do now is get it all powered up, connect it to our phone, and play with it. This was really just going to mean to give you a first look and unboxing for this. You can see how springy this is. We're not going to do a lot of coverage on the actual use of the device right now, but we will in a future video. So make sure to thumbs up and subscribe for all that. You can see on the side here as well, that is where that battery connector will go. And you can just slide this on your head when you're ready to use. And I'm actually doing that right now. I don't think it looks too bad. So yeah, what do you guys think about Samsung's first take in partnership with Google for their XR headset? Again, fully expecting a ton more in 2026 and what will be offered then as well. So can't wait to get a deeper dive into this. Again, make sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you very soon. Peace.